So I've been sent this to unbox, fit, try out by LAMTTO. One thing I will say is that I don't go anywhere these days without Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is the best system ever. And if you want to completely leave your phone in your pocket, not touch anything, not be in danger of getting 3 points or 6 points on your license these days and a huge fine, Apple CarPlay, especially voice activation, is the way to go. Now, I'm putting it in this car because it doesn't have any audio equipment whatsoever. I've got a Bluetooth speaker in here, but it doesn't come with any audio equipment whatsoever. Apple CarPlay makes a world of difference to this car. I can't tell you how much it changes it. No Bluetooth, there's no phone, there's nothing. So when you're in it, if anybody rings you, you've had it. If anybody texts you, you've had it. You can't play music. However, let's open this and see where we go. Well, first impressions, looks like a nice big screen. Oh gosh, that is good. Now that's absolutely tremendous. Look at that rascal. I don't go anywhere without a dash cam these days either. And this has a front and rear facing dash cam. Oh, I'm liking this more and more. There we go, power in. And it's a USB-C, so it'll fit my other one, an SD card in there. So I don't need that for a start, so I'm just gonna, I like this already, so this is gonna be my new unit for this car. So we'll take that off. Let me see, where am I gonna put it? I'll just put it here for the time being, right on the end. That's it. So I'll put it on the end. What I should have done is plug the lead in. That's a USB-C. Just get the lead. I'll take that out. It's also got a suction cup to stick on the window, but it'll be too far away for me in this car. Power adapter, audio lead. Oh, if you decide to move it to another car, look, you've got yet another sticker and something to prise it off with. That's the rear cam. Well, I've already got a rear cam fitted in here. It'll probably work off that one. Now, switch on. There we go. So, English, TF cards loading, we want English. And that's it, that's the CarPlay already up. So we're up and running. So what we'll do, we'll just go into settings here, into Bluetooth. Watch out for the bottom, just see if it comes up. Here we go, TH6 Pro ACD1. Click on there. Pair, it's come up with a pairing request with the number. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Connect to CarPlay. Connect. Now that's Preston Docks, that's where I am. So now I shouldn't need to touch this. Hey Siri, call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
That's me. Now that was working through the speaker in here, my Bluetooth speaker in here, or your sound system in whatever car you go. Because it's paired to your phone, the sound from your phone will come through your speaker. This is just an interface. Let's turn this on. That means it's connected to my phone there. Hey Siri, text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just testing this new Apple CarPlay unit. It really is a fantastic addition to anybody's car.
Says, I'm just testing this new Apple CarPlay unit. It really is a fantastic addition to anybody's car. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now you'll see there, a text has come up on my phone. I've just texted myself. I'm driving, I can't touch my phone. You'll see there, message. There's a message. Now if I click on the message, it won't actually show me on here, but what you can do is, hey Siri, read messages.
Barry said, I'm just testing this new Apple CarPlay unit. It really is a fantastic addition to anybody's car. Would you like to reply?
Yes, please.
What would you like to say to Barry?
Make sure you put your affiliate link in the description so I can get one. Thank you.
Says, I'll make sure you put your affiliate link in the description so I can get one. Thank you. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done. Those are all your messages.
There you go. And that's the message it's just sent me. Again, I'm touching the phone here, but you don't have to. So what else? What else can it do? It can do everything. Absolutely everything. Hey Siri, navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Now it has a go button there, but it will go, if you don't do anything, it will go without you saying anything. Now on your way to Manchester Airport, you're feeling thirsty. Hey Siri, take me to Starbucks.
Option is Starbucks on Sid Greaves Lane in Preston. It adds 6 minutes to your route. How about that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
So that's an added destination. I'm on my way somewhere. I don't have to stop. I'm still on the motorway. I don't have to take my hands off the steering wheel. I don't have to be doing this and watching for the traffic stopping. I just tell it what to do. And it's going to take me for a coffee first, and then it'll go straight back onto my route to Manchester Airport. Hey Siri, cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
As far as music goes, it will play all your tracks. It will play all your tracks and shuffle them, or you can play a single track. For instance, hey Siri, shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
So that's on the music screen. So that's shuffling all music. Hey Siri, play Hold Me Now by Lena Hall.
Here's Hold Me Now by Lena Hall on Apple Music.
I have a picture.
We'll just go, you see there, that's the full screen. If I click there, that'll go back to the menu. And then here we've got phone, music, maps, messages. It'll send WhatsApp to. There's all your settings, your calendar. There's WhatsApp. That's my parking app. Spotify. It'll play Amazon Music, YouTube Music. Of course, you can use Google Maps. You can find a charger. Audible. Here we go.
Know his sister. I invited him here, Nolan said.
So that's without touching your phone. And you saw it took, 30 seconds to set up? All you have to do is plug it into a power source and it sets up as easy as that. Let's just go back to, we'll have a look at Smart Screen. What's Smart Screen? So Smart Screen, you've got all your stuff up the side here. Camera. Go on to camera. There you go. I've plugged the rear camera in. Now I can't really see here because of the big speaker, but as you can see out of the back there, you've got front and rear camera. So also it's ideal for reversing because this has no reversing sensors in. And even though it's the tiniest car in the world, it's still quite difficult, with it being left-hand drive especially, it's quite difficult to reverse into some places. So you've got all that. Just actually, can I just move that? There you go, that's better. So now I can see directly out the back. And there you go. That's the camera at the front. And that's the back. So I've got a full widescreen view of the back. Let's just test it. There we go. You can see. So that's out the back. So I can reverse without looking. That's the internal speaker. The internal speaker is adequate, but especially in a vehicle like this, which is pretty noisy when you're driving, you need an extra speaker. And honestly, it's as quick as that, putting it in any car whatsoever. Just mount it in the car, it's already connected, no matter which car it is. You just take this unit out and put it in the next car you're driving. And with me being in the motor trade, every time I go in a different car, wherever I'm going, I always take this. It's so much easier. You're not typing your destination in onto your flipping sat nav. You just tell it. It's fantastic. I really like it. And you can see there, you've got CarPlay and you've also got Android Auto. Okay, so I forgot to mention one of its other party tricks. It can screen mirror as well. So from this screen, you have to disconnect Apple CarPlay to start off with to connect the Wi-Fi. So we've disconnected CarPlay and you've got CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Android Cast. Mine's Apple, so I'm going to AirPlay, click on AirPlay, and it tells you there you need to be connected to Wi-Fi. So on here, we're on Wi-Fi, AirPlay here, click on AirPlay. Now password, it says there the password, look. We're looking for AirPlay ACD 153, then the password is 12345678. So 12345678, join. We're just waiting. So AirPlay's on. Now this should mirror my screen. Pull down like so, and we're looking for, I'm not sure whether this will keep recording, but if I click on there, screen mirroring, smart screen, click on smart screen, and here we go, it's showing your phone. We'll go up. I think it's limited to actually what you can see, but for instance, if you want to watch your favourite YouTuber, click on play there. Public Policy Director at Octopus Electric Vehicles. So it'll mirror any apps on your phone. So my home camera here. So there you go. I can watch my home camera if that's what I wanted to do. I'm not just sure what to use that for at the moment, apart from YouTube, which we've seen works okay. Let me see if I can find somebody that you'd want to watch. It's Jeff Buys Cars here. Auto car, and then after that we're going to do a real good one. We're going to do... There you go. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.